here at Creekwood Greenway and the Indian Creek. It's a beautiful morning, and I just wanted to go over a few things on how to approach a new area. Safety is always key with me. Make sure you have good shoes on. You know, there's a lot of rocks and boulders and glass, you never know. So make sure you got good shoes, and make sure you investigate before you get to a new area. Look around, make sure you can find a way in and out. The second thing I like to do with a new area is understand what fish is here and what you can and can't catch. There's also property rules if there are, if you are on a property. If it's your first time out to a new spot, always investigate. Try to find the little fish. Try to find the bait fish before you go and try to tackle some of the bigger predators that are out there. But this is the body of water that we're shooting for, and we're going to see if we can't catch some bass, some smallmouth maybe, some bluegill, and just kind of do some research here before we get too deep into the water. But eventually I will be doing a full wading, but I would like to do an investigation first. So y'all stay with me, and let's see if we can't go catch some fish. First little bluegill. Looks like Jacob had to get in the water after all. Pretty little guy. Oh! See the color pattern on its tail?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty little fish. Real pretty. Both sides. Gorgeous little fish. You got good detail?
Yes.
Right. Let's let this little guy go. Look, green-eared sunfish. We'll take him. These little good guys are fun when they're hitting good. He's been eating. Got a little fat belly. Pretty little fish. Let's let him go.
Did not say, what did you say it was?
Shiner, man. Weird old creek shiner.
Oh.
His bait. That's in the panfish, man. Another red breast. These little guys are beautiful. Totally that tail all up. Let's let it go. Little green-eared sunfish. Wow. Oh, this.
Oh, that is pretty.
Camera picking it up too.
Uh-huh.
You got the flop.
Mm-hmm. It's got the turquoise.
Little bluegill. Little
He's tiny.
Micro fishing at its finest. Oh, he's aggressive. Definitely a pretty little fish. Pretty little crappie.
Yeah.
Right. Big bass behind it.